Are you looking for some fun content ideas for the month of May? In this video, I'm going to give you over 20 holidays that you can use as excuses to celebrate and make relevant content in May 2021. Okay, so here's how this is going to go. First, I'm going to tell you the holiday and the day it takes place, and then I'm going to give you some ideas for how you can make it relevant for your business. May 1st is National Fitness Day. This is obviously a great fit for someone who is in the fitness industry. If you're not in the fitness industry, you can share your personal fitness journey because that's a good way to connect with people. You can engage in conversation by asking people what they do for fun to stay fit, or you can share accounts of your favorite people to follow in the fitness industry. You could do a movement challenge as a giveaway, or you could create a reel of you doing some kind of movement, doesn't have to be dancing, and then ask people to remix the reel and move with you. Fitness and movement is so important to our overall health, so the more people that you can get to get up and move, the better. My personal favorite is having a dance party. May 2nd through the 9th is Small Business Week, and if that's not an obvious reason to celebrate, then I don't know what is. You can share your favorite small businesses, you can ask people to support your small business, or you could go live with another small business owner and talk about anything related to small business. May 3rd is Lemonade Day. This holiday was created to encourage an entrepreneurial spirit in young people. I know when I was a kid, I was always looking for a way to make money. I owned several businesses by the time I was in 4th grade, one of which was selling Kool-Aid and candy to the neighborhood kids on the street corner, and I actually made really good money. I learned all about the cost of doing business, marketing, and a lot of other business lessons at a very young age. On this day, you can share a story of how you used to make money as a kid, if that's something that you did, or you can find a local group to support or shout out. If you don't know of any local groups, you can go to lemonadeday.org, and they have lots of resources in different cities for ways that you can get involved with supporting young entrepreneurs. May 4th is Star Wars Day. If your ideal client is a Star Wars fan, this is obviously a really good way to connect with them. But if you are nerdy yourself and nobody knows that and you've been hiding it, it might be a good day to just let it out. Just be aware that last year Disney came out and said that anyone who uses hashtag May the 4th agrees to their terms and services of them being able to use your content however they wish. I have no idea how that all played out or how that works because I'm not a lawyer, but it might be something to look into. May 4th is also National Teachers Day. You can run a special or promo for teachers specifically, or you can just express your gratitude for teachers or for yourself if you're still a teacher. I, for one, am so thankful that whole homeschool situation is behind me, and I am incredibly grateful for my kids' teachers. May 5th is Cinco de Mayo. Aside from drinking margs and eating tacos, you can connect with your audience on a personal level by having a conversation about your favorite kinds of foods, or maybe you could share your favorite margarita recipe. Or you could just take the day off and drink. I mean, after all, you are your own boss. May 6th is Beverage Day, so share your favorite drink. It doesn't have to be an alcoholic beverage. It could be coffee, it could be tea, it could be lemonade, kombucha, whatever you like to drink. Entrepreneurs are pretty much fueled by beverages, so share your favorite drink and ask their audience what theirs is. May 6th is Nurses Day. Make a post thanking nurses, celebrate your nurse clients, or run a promo or special for them. This day kicks off Nurse Appreciation Week, which runs all the way through May 12th. May 7th is Military Spouse Appreciation Day. While I've been fortunate that my husband's job in the military pretty much keeps us in one place, that is not common for most other military families. It's typical for them to move to a new base every 2 or 3 years, if not less. And because of that, it makes it a lot harder for spouses to keep jobs. Therefore, a lot of them start their own businesses. If you Google military spouse-owned business, you will find a list of businesses that you can share and support. May 7th is also Packaging Design Day. I don't know who thought that this would make for a good holiday, but I, for one, greatly appreciate a well-packaged product because I feel like the company put forth the extra effort to stand out and be memorable. If your product comes in a fancy package, brag about it. Show it off. Tell everyone why your product is the best and show them what they have to look forward to and how it makes people feel when they get your package in their hands. I mean, look at these adorable rainbow boxes that Northwest Rainbows has and tell me you wouldn't love getting one in the mail. May 9th is Mother's Day, and there's no doubt that you've probably spent more time with your children in the past year than you have since they were babies, or maybe even their entire life if your kids went to daycare. It's probably best if you just ask for the day off instead of gifts. May 15th is Armed Forces Day, Chocolate Chip Day, and also World Whiskey Day. May 16th is Mimosa Day, which is a perfect day to celebrate your wins by posting a photo of you making a toast. It's also an excuse to start drinking at breakfast. Not that you needed one. May 17th is Tax Day. This isn't really a reason to celebrate unless you're a CPA and then you're celebrating the fact that tax season is done, but even then you probably have extensions. Mostly I'm just adding this in here to make sure that you file your taxes by this day and get them done. May 20th is Be a Millionaire Day, and I thought it might be fun to break down the ways to make $1 million in a year. All you need is 5,000 people to buy a $200 product, or 2,000 people to buy a $500 product, 1,000 people to buy a $1,000 product, 500 people to buy a $2,000 product, or 300 people to buy a $3,333 product. If you want to break it down by month, you need 5,000 people to pay you $17 a month for 12 months, 2,000 people to pay you $42 a month for 12 months, 1,000 people to pay you $83 a month for 12 months, 500 people a month that pay you $167 for 12 months, or 300 people who pay you $278 for 12 months. Kind of interesting to think of it like that, right? May 21st is Pizza Party Day. And hello, the words pizza and party in the same phrase means it's probably going to be one of the best days ever. And if you're one of those people who doesn't like pizza, we probably can't be friends. May 25th is Wine Day, and you can celebrate this day the same way we celebrated every other beverage day this month. May 30th is my birthday, and if it's not already obvious, I'll take gifts in the form of pizza, margaritas, sunshine, palm trees, or rainbows. #branding. And if you have no idea why that's branding, then you should probably watch this video right here. And lastly, May 31st is Memorial Day, which often gets confused with Veterans Day. Don't thank a veteran on Memorial Day. Memorial Day is a day to remember those that passed in the line of duty, not those currently serving. So there you have it, over 20 holidays that you can use as an excuse to celebrate during the month of May. Use these holidays to create themed content, participate in social conversations online, or run promos and specials for your customers and clients. Now, before we cue the confetti, there is something important that you need to keep in mind, and that is your dream customer. Now, if they don't drink alcohol, then you should probably skip out on the days that celebrate alcohol. If creating content around a holiday or theme doesn't connect with your ideal client and it doesn't really represent with your business, then it doesn't add value to your relationship with each other, and there's no point in posting it. If you don't have any idea who your dream customer is, then you should download my Ideal Client Development Guide, which is totally free, and you'll find a link to it in the description. If you like this video, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notifications so that you are notified every time I put new video content out. I will see you on the next video.